Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use a built-in ruler in Samsung Galaxy S24. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on display. Now in display, scroll down and here click on edge panel. Now in edge panels, first of all turn on this button, and after turning on this button, click on panels. Now in panels, select this tools panel and then go back to your home screen. And now to use the ruler, just simply swipe left this edge panel, and after you will see this compass. Click on this three dot more icon and from here click on ruler, and after that it will open a ruler for you. So now you can use this ruler for measurements. So that's how you can use built-in ruler for measurement in Samsung Galaxy S24. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.